So infrastructure is directly connected to climate change. We are aware of that. At the same time, we know that infrastructure is more and more a system of systems, a connectivity, interconnectivity between urban infrastructure, between infrastructure and natural environment. And the only way for us to respond to cascading risks that will continue to increase in the next years is to have a collective action, to have more collaboration, to have more innovation in how we address these issues. And we do believe that connected systems, interconnected collaboration for technologies that work well together, they will be able to accelerate the process of responding to these risks. So Bentley is the infrastructure software development company, right? We know this, we address this, we help engineers and infrastructure professionals design, build and operate better infrastructure. And the point is that it's not just about designing the infrastructure for less cost and less time. It's also about environmental aspects. You also want to reduce carbon, and so you need to balance all this and to find out how you can build efficiently in a way that you manage all these aspects, right? So one good example is one-click LCA, and so becoming part of this ecosystem of iTwin, we allow designers to effectively design and optioneer for outcomes like carbon. One-click LCA facilitate emission factors for materials and products in infrastructure. So building this link and this workflow between designing and emission factors and materials and their environmental impact, we can accelerate the process of designing for less carbon, right? So that's a great example of ecosystem collaboration. So Bentley's strategy on sustainability is very much focused on helping and facilitating users to combine all the aspects that are linked to sustainability. We are talking about social aspects, environmental aspects, economic aspects. All of them should be brought together, and infrastructure professionals should be able to make smart trade-offs with all this information. It's very difficult to bring context and to put all this information together. We, as a global company, we need to provide ways and technologies and data where users have all the information they need at the right place at the right time, right? So creating opportunities to collectively gather all the data providers, the solutions, and the technologies that are within our ecosystem, within iTwin, it's really important, and I think it will accelerate the response to the problems that are affecting infrastructure today, like climate resilience, decarbonization, all those aspects that are really challenging for all of us. And again, since we cannot address all this alone, we need to have an ecosystem of partners that support this. So providing information for users where they can discover, find the right data, the right technologies, will help them providing answers much faster with more improved decision making for these challenges.